I've been shot.
Okay, Dave Barbecue is gonna shotgun a can of Stillwater Classique. We got your Classique. You need something sharp, you can use a pocket knife. You can use the knife you intend on cleaning in front of your daughter's boyfriends. Or, most people usually have keys around, so we use the keys. First you turn the beer can like this, up slightly so you have an air bubble right there. Punctures a hole. Then when you have the hole pretty decent size, lift it up.
Nobody get me down. Nobody get me down. I'm just a kid.
That's how it's done. I also told you can shotgun a beer with just your thumb. Alright, we're going to give it a try. Remember, tilt it up so there's the air bubble. Oh, fuck that.